You Made That, and today for You Made That I am opening Happy Mail from Hubman and Chubgirl. Chubgirl is the one who illustrates all these adorable things, and I'm going to open this box, and this is the cutest box I have ever gotten. Such a keeper. So let's see what I ordered. Woohoo! Oh. Okay, so this is a cute little note from Hubman and Chubgirl. Yay! And Flooby. That is adorable. Here's what I ordered. Lemonade Buddy acrylic charm. Look at that. It's so cute. There's a little face and the little lemons and limes and oranges flow around. Love it. Look, sea turtle stickers, 5 assorted die-cut stickers, waterproof, laminate, and vinyl. Yep, they're vinyl. Okay, so this could go on water bottles. They feel really cool. Yes, they feel like good quality. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so these are the guys. I just thought they were so cute. Oh my. Yay! Love. Oops. And then, what did I get? I don't even remember. Look, it comes in this little portfolio. Did I order this? I must have. I don't know. It's adorable. I did order these. Okay. Here's some little coffee stickers. Again, really good quality. Huh. Aren't these cute? I got some fall brown autumn fox. I will put links to their store in my description. And hello autumn. So you can put these in planners. You can put them wherever you want. And look. So I highly recommend 10 out of 10 for Hubman and Chubgirl. Yay, there's their cute little logo. Thanks for watching. Bye.